तेरी शान से सटके, कोई रंग है क्या तेरी धूम से बढ़के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा में जिंदा, तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। Reverend Father Celestine, our director, Reverend Sister Kristen Maria, our principal, Reverend Sister Prakashika, Reverend Sister Maria Sabin, and my dear colleagues, a vibrant morning to all of you present here. But I feel today's morning is little special. This morning is embraced with the colors of rainbow, and indeed, this rainbow is also very special. It is having three beautiful colors: the color of sacrifice, the color of peace, and the color of prosperity. The saffron, the white, and the green. Happy 79th Independence Day to all of you. As today we are here, brimming with the spirits of reverence when we are celebrating our Independence Day. Let's immerse ourselves into the spirit of unity. To begin with, I now invite Ms. Jasleen to gracefully extend the welcome and introduce you all the purpose of today's event.
A very good morning to one and all present here. On this proud occasion of India's 79th Independence Day, we come together to honor the courage, sacrifice, and the unwavering spirit of the freedom fighters. It was this very day in 1947 that the chains of colonial rule were broken and our nation woke up to the dawn of freedom. Independence Day is not only a day of celebration, it is also a day of remembrance and gratitude. We remember the countless heroes who gave up their comfort, careers, and even their lives so that we could breathe in free India. Today's program is our humble tribute to those legends and our pledge to contribute to our nation's progress and with honesty, unity, and dedication. And what better way to begin this celebration than by saluting the very symbol of our nation's pride, the Tiranga. I now request our respective dignitaries and our principal to proceed for the flag hoisting ceremony. I invite everyone present here to stand in attention as we hoist our national flag and sing the national anthem with utmost respect.
Step forward and deliver her heartfelt speech, a reminder that love for our country begins here.
Freedom in the mind, faith in the words, pride in our souls. Let's salute our nation. A very warm morning and a heartfelt Jai Hind to all present here. Today,
we gather here to celebrate 79th Independence Day. 79 years since our beloved nation broke free from the chains of colonial rule. 79 years ago, India did not just wake up to a new day. India awoke to freedom. Freedom that was earned, not in comfort, but in struggle. Not with ease, but with sacrifice. It was the steadfast truth of Mahatma Gandhi, the fiery call of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, the fearless sacrifice of Bhagat Singh, the unyielding courage of Rani Lakshmibai, and the dedication of countless unsung heroes that lit the flame of liberty. But remember, freedom is not just a trophy to be displayed, it's a duty to be lived. This year, as we step further into the era of Amrit Kaal, the 25-year journey towards India at 100, the team Naya Bharat calls upon us to envision and build a new India, an India that is self-reliant, inclusive, innovative, and strong enough to lead the world with wisdom and courage, worthy of its dreams. True independence is when every citizen is equal, when every voice is heard, when every dream has a chance to grow. We as educators carry a sacred responsibility. Our work shapes the minds that will shape the nation. Our dedication is our tribute to those who fought for this land. So today, let's just not raise the flag, let's raise our values, let's raise our commitment, let's raise our India, our Naya Bharat. देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम। देशभक्तों के बलिदान से स्वतंत्र हुए हैं हम। कोई पूछे कौन हो, कोई पूछे कौन हो, तो गर्व से कहेंगे भारतीय हैं हम, भारतीय हैं हम। As the tricolor soars above us, let the words echo in every heart. Let's salute our nation with pride. In one single voice, everyone. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Jai Bharat. Wishing you all a proud and glorious Independence Day. Once again, Happy Independence Day to everyone.
Reality to this ceremonious day, I request the singing choir to be here. So our singing choir is here with us.
अभी आज करे जो जमाना, माटी पे मर मिट जाना, फिक्र में शोर तेरा नाम हो। तू देश मेरे शान से भटके, कोई घर है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के, तेरी धूप से रोशन, तेरी हवा पे जिंदा। तू बाग है मेरा, मैं तेरा परिंदा। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जाना, गुल बन के मैं खिल जाना, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। मेरी नाव बोले रखोर दे उन्हें जाके तू पैगाम दे.
For this melodious patriotic melody, now I request Reverend Father Sebastian, our director, to please stride ahead and address all of us on this ceremonious occasion.
Sister Crispin, Reverend sisters, teachers, and all your brothers and sisters. Happy Independence Day.
Happy Father's Day.
So today, we repeatedly say Vande Mataram, Jai Hind, and so on and so forth to give tribute to our nation's martyrs, the valiant people who gave us freedom. And we celebrate it and we enjoy it. Today's enjoyment, we give tribute, we give preference to all of them who's lost their life and who lost their family, who lost their vision, who lost their dream. It's all for each one of us. So therefore today we celebrate it. But then in the heart of God, we depend on this country. The same we follow in every matter of our life. We are in this country independent. We have to. Therefore, our contribution to various aspects, social, family, school, our personal life, every day, that pride, we are Indians. We are under the banner of our country, proud. And it is through me I glory my country. My all activities, all actions contribute to glory and the shine or the bringing joy of our country.
We weaved for this special occasion. Dear colleagues, as we are standing in solemn respect for our nation's pride Tiranga, as Father said, let's not only celebrate Independence Day, but let's take a pledge, a vow that will take care of our future generations, and let's pledge that we will save everything for our future generation and we'll try to live sustainably. Thank you everyone, thank you dignitaries, thank you dear colleagues.